What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. As you can tell by the title, today I have a what I think is an interesting video to bring to you. Now, this may seem like a video exposing myself, but actually, to be honest, I've never really done this. And so I kind of wanted to see if I could actually pull it off and if it would be legit, because that would save me a whole lot of time actually having to do my makeup for a photo. So if you were reading this title, just know I really struggled with what to name this video. Now, I know this might seem kind of like counterproductive, because while you're not spending the time doing your makeup, you are now spending the time editing your makeup onto your photo. But you know, not everyone wants to put on a full face of makeup. Maybe you're an influencer and you've been sent product that you have to photograph, but you don't really feel like getting full glam for the photo just to wash it off in 5 minutes. Or maybe we're just lazy AF like me. Anyways, before we get into it, I would absolutely love it if you would consider subscribing to my video. It is completely free, and if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later, but I hope you won't. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you are always notified every time I upload a video. Without further ado, let's get on into it. So I'm just gonna scoot this way so that we can pop the screen recording right here. So the photo I took obviously has no makeup, no filters, nothing. My skin looks like crap in it, but that was kind of the point. I want to show how you can completely like transform yourself with editing app makeup, theoretically. So I'm gonna go to my photos, pick this photo where I look horrendous, and the first thing I'm going to do is send it over to Lightroom. You would have seen me do this in my last video, editing my Instagram photos. Bring it down to -7 there. Should be good. Seems really pointless, I know. Okay, this is where it changes up. Next, I'm going to go to Adobe Photoshop Fix. This app literally takes a century to open. I don't know why. Don't mind me, just sitting over here collecting dust. Should we talk about our feelings? And the first thing I'm going to do is use the healing tool to get rid of these horrendous breakouts. Yeah, don't eat like a tub of ice cream and like a whole box of cookies just because it's that time of the month. It is not worth it. I mean, I never break out on my chin. What is going on? Hideous. Then I'm gonna go to the light tool. This is a trick I like to use sometimes when the lighting's not good. Lighten my eyes a little bit. I wish I could get rid of the red in my eyes, but I can't. Then I'm going to save the photo. Go into Facetune. So eyes, let's whiten those bad boys up. Add some detail, oh yeah. Thicken up them brows. I hate how one is less thick than the other. Sometimes I'll actually like go in and reshape it. Maybe I'll do that right now. This isn't really part of the tutorial, but I want them to match. Do they match better? Better. Now they're the same. Okay, let's smooth out that skin, honey. Normally I'd use a pore refining primer, but because we don't have any makeup on, we're gonna be doing it ourselves. Get all of those nasty pores. Then we're just gonna turn the power down to like 70 or so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and conceal the under eyes. Get rid of those bags and brighten those bad boys up. Inner corners too, because they're looking a little janky. Okay, and then you can mess with the intensity. Probably put it to about there. Lips are looking a little crusty, so we're just gonna smooth those as well. Apply chapstick, kids. Now I guess what we can do, since I don't have any sort of a lipstick or lip plumping tool here, we are just going to plump them ourselves. Because normally we would line them and put on lip gloss. Ooh, let's try an eye tilt. Bella Hadid who? Never heard of her. This part, if you watched my last video, you would have seen me do it, but I am just filling in this sparse hairline. So the next thing we're going to do is make these brows a little bit darker. So I'm just going to pick a color that's already in the brow, take the shadow tool, and just start darkening them. I'm so curious to see if this is actually going to work, like if it's going to look legit. Alright, so let's turn the intensity to about there. Wowzers. Wow, Sephora is shaking, and Anastasia Beverly Hills has left the chat. I'm gonna go to structure and just make her pop a little bit. It might not look good right now, but don't worry, we have another app to save the day. Oh, I should have probably smoothed over my chest. That doesn't look very good. We love a sun-damaged queen. Just gonna bring up the shadows a bit so we can really see what we're working with here. Okay, so that's it for Facetune. We're just gonna get out of there before we go crazy. Then this next app, one of my friends actually showed me, and to be honest, I've never really used it, but today I felt like it would be the perfect time because you can add like eyelashes, face contour, you can go ham on this app. So let's just see what we're working with here. How do we do this here? Photo makeup? Okay, cool. So there she is. Right now we're on none. Oh, you can like add, oh wait, never mind. All right, let's start with mouth, and I guess you can just pick a color. What color should we do? No, that's gonna be a no. All right, let's not start with lips because I feel like that's not how you would do it in real life. Let's start, what the hell's nose enhancer? Ooh, it contours your, guys, I can contour my nose. This is crazy. Okay, foundation. Dude, what? Oh, right, that's doing the most. Why did I not know about this? Why did I never bother to like actually check this out? This is insane. I actually can't even. Okay, so we're gonna add some foundation. Let's go to contour. Wow, look at all these options. So I would normally probably do, what's this one? Stop it right now. It's changing my eye color too. How crazy is that? Oh my god, highlight. This is crazy. Okay, where would I normally highlight? Definitely not my chin. Let's try this one. Holy fuck. Dude. That's insane. I can't even believe I've had this app on my phone for like over 6 months and I've just never bothered to look at this. I need to pay better attention. All right, let's add some blush. Stop it right now. Fam. This app is like, if you want to build the perfect version of yourself. Oh my god, you can change your hair. Guys, we're gonna be here all day, I'm sorry. This is crazy. Let's start with eyeshadow. What? Holy crap. I'm screaming. What is going on? What does this button do? Oh, you can like, wow. I don't even know what to do with my life right now. You can boost the intensity of each individual shadow. Okay, we're gonna try eyeliner now. Oh my god, you can even do your eyebrow. What is going, what? Double eyelid? Eyelashes, let's not get carried away here. Proceeds to get carried away. What is this? Oh my god, I die. Okay, we're not doing that one. What? Okay, obviously the blush doesn't look real now that I'm looking at the whole thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and fix that and make it a little less intense. Okay, now that we've done that, let's try lips. Yeah, not that color. Maybe we'll do that color. That seems fine. Hair color. Shut the front door. We love a ginger queen. Okay, we're not doing that. Let's find a more realistic color. Okay, I don't really want ombre. Let's try one color. You can like tint it. Stop it right now. Guys, I literally just tinted my hair. What is life? Okay, guys, so it's time for the final reveal. This is the before and this is the after. I am literally shook. How is this even possible? I feel like it looks pretty freaking real. If you don't inspect too closely, it honestly just looks like I smoothed out my skin more than I normally would, which I don't think anyone would like question as to being like fake makeup. They'd just be like, Alya needs to chill on the airbrushing. I wish this app could just transfer to real life. Like you could be like, yep, I want my makeup to look like that, and be like, and suddenly like your face is perfect. Comment down below if you have used this app before and your thoughts on it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up on your way out, and thank you so much for watching.